In the previous lecture, we determined that our target BSR range is 5,000 to 15,000. Looking within this range should give us products with sales of at least 10 to 20 per day, with at least 4-star ratings and price between $15 and $50. In order to find products within this BSR range, we need to be able to jump around to different pages in the search results. Amazon doesn't provide an easy way to move around, so we have to be creative. Go to page 7 of your PDF file if you want to follow along. Now let's go back to the Amazon search results page and scroll to the bottom. Click on page 2. The results page now has a URL address at the top of the page, and you should see 2 page designators inside the URL. The first one looks like this, and the second one looks like this. If you change each 2 to 200, you should be taken to page 200 of the search results. Use this method to move around in the catalog and find products within your target BSR range. You can tell you've moved far ahead in the catalog by looking at the product number displayed over on the left-hand side. You can see that by moving ahead to page 200, we start seeing products that are within our target BSR range. Before we click on a product listing, let's talk some more about product filters as we funnel down through the list. After you locate a potential product, you need to apply some more filters to weed out poor prospects and focus on the good ones. These criteria aren't etched in stone except for number 1, but you will greatly improve your chances by following these guidelines. So our target products are, number 1, should not be sold by Amazon. They don't play well with others. Should not be a nationwide brand name like Rubbermaid or Hamilton Beach, or in this instance, Green Mountain Coffee. Should not be made by and sold by the same company. Should have no more than 5 prime sellers. Should weigh 2 pounds or less. Should have package dimensions of 18 inches by 14 inches by 8 inches or less. And should have a solid camel sales rank history. And we'll look at some examples of that in a little bit. If any product flunks one of the first 3 guidelines, just stop and go on to the next product. Otherwise, don't be too rigid with the guidelines. If you find a quality product, go with it. If you're inside an individual product listing and you want to find the number of prime sellers for a product, find the link to the other sellers on the product listing, usually on the right side of the product page. Click on this link to see all the other sellers of this product. Then select the prime box on the left-hand side of the page. This list shows only prime sellers and represents your competition for this product. The fewer the prime sellers, the less the competition. If the product makes it to number 7 in the guidelines, then we'll want to go to a site called Camel and check out the price and Bsr history. Go ahead and copy the ASIN for the particular product, and then from your PDF file there's a link to Camel. A Camel will require you to set up a free account, but once you have it, we'll just input the ASIN and hit search. Notice the default page is price history. It will show if Amazon has ever been a seller of this product. Note, if Amazon has a sales history in Camel, but doesn't show in the prime seller list, they may just be out of stock for this product, so be careful. Then click on the Sales Rank tab and analyze the Bsr history. Here's an example of excellent sales rank history. Your products don't have to look like this graph, but you do want to see some consistent sales rank history within your target Bsr range. Less consistent sales rank equals more risk. This chart will also show seasonal products whose BSR will resemble a camel's back, hence the name camel, camel, camel. Now it's decision time. If all the above guidelines have been met, then you should try to contact the supplier of this product and obtain a wholesale account. You just found a potential product. Congratulations. Now what? You can either stop and go to Section 3 and learn how to find the supplier of this product and request an account, or what I like to do is put this product into my Amazon wish list and keep looking for other products, then go back later to the wish list and search for suppliers. The wish list can be found by clicking on the Your List tab at the top right of the product page. Feel free to play around with the targeted monthly sales and BSR in the Jungle Scout Estimator tool, and change the price filter if you want to look at lower or higher priced items in the search results. I would stick with the 4 stars and above in the average customer review filter to help reduce the number of returns. Returns are no fun at all. The example I've used above is just a suggested starting point, and you may prefer to look for products with different criteria. In other lectures, we'll be using some paid Jungle Scout tools to speed up this whole process and help us be more productive.